So if you watched my vlog, you would have seen that my hair was really orange. And it was mostly the top of my hair. And I tried doing everything. I tried toning it and dyeing it, just anything, and it wouldn't go away. So I decided to do something. I noticed how damaged my hair was, so I decided to cut it. I dyed my roots brown, and the orange was still there. So this is how long my hair was before, and now it's time to cut it. I decided I should just go crazy color, and you're about to find out what color it is. Before I put any color in, I decided to bring my ombre a bit higher, so I put bleach on there. After I rinsed it, the orange turned out more vibrant. As you can tell, it was only the top of my hair. The bottom looked alright. This is the hair dye I'm going to be using. The hair dye decided not to stick to my roots, and this is how it looked. I decided to get Purple Plum by Enrage and put it on my roots. I did it myself. I got it up to here. My hair was like a lot longer. Yeah, now I'm a great fan. Many things I want to say about this hair dye, and I always say this to most of my purple hair dyes, it looks blue. I'm fine with that. If you're not looking for a hair dye that looks blue, do not go for this one, the Adore one. My roots did come out the way I wanted them to, a lot darker. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I will try to update y'all on how this fades, because I'm not sure how this is gonna fade. See y'all, bye. Fuck a beat, I was tryna beat a case, but I ain't beat that case.